All right, this is Gimme Back My Bullets by LYNYRD SKYNYRD. We're gonna have to detune all the strings 1/2 step. So go ahead and do that. We're gonna get into this. Okay, so that's our intro. So we have a chick, chick, chick. We got 3 of those muted hits. And then we're gonna go, and that's open to 3 on the E string to the A power chord. And then we're gonna pull off the 3 to open on the E. So it's, and then we're gonna come down here to the A string 3rd fret with that 2 on the D string. We can hit those at the same time, do a pull off. We're gonna have a chicka, chicka. And the kind of a little bend on the 3 maybe up here. Okay, so we got chick, chick, chick. Okay, then we stop on that one, then we start a verse. That's the A power chord, O, 2, 2, and then chicka, and then C power chord to D power chord, back to A, and then we're gonna go. So that was the A string, then the 2 on the G, but make it staccato so it ends really quick, and then O2 on that G string, so we got. So that one's gonna be like the 3, the bass note, to those 5s on the middle strings there. Kind of do it faster the second time. And then G bass, those 2 middle open strings, part of a G chord. We got the bass to the 2s there on the A. Do a pull off on that 3 to open on the A. Big 3. Then we're back into the second half of the verse. A, C, D, A. Now this time we're gonna go kind of A bass to the 2s, a little muted hit, back to 2s. Same thing on the C. Same thing on the G with the opens. Go back to that A there. So let's look at everything so far. We got. Verse. Okay, we pop into the main riff. Now we're into the chorus. We're gonna have a. Okay, so let's check out that chorus. We had the. So the second time of that, we're gonna get into a D chord. So we hit the D string, and then the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then the 2 O. And then we go to a C here, 3rd fret, A string, G string, pull off 3 to 2 in the A there, to that big 3, to the A chord, and then O3, 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 O, pull off. So it's. Got that pull off, D again, and then the C we go. That one goes to G there with the 3-5-5. We got an O3 there at the end. And that's a open to its octave. That's an A to its octave. G to A there. So now in this one we're gonna go O, 2, 3 to the open G, C, and then G, 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 A, and then. Okay, that takes us into the next verse. Getting into the chorus again, so we got. This time we stop there and we do it again, so it's like. Okay, then we're into the solo. We got D string 5 to B string 5. So there's a couple guitars doing this. One's just holding that, but the other one's like. That's what's in the tab there I got. So the other one's just like hold it, and then 4 and 3, same strings. Okay, then the solo starts. It's gonna go 2 D chords and then a chica, so. And then you got the 3 there, the C note. Pull off 3 to 2 to that G up there. Okay, so we got like 3 of those in the 4th one. So 3 hits on the A and then a G back to A. And then the bass goes like, start a new verse. Back to that D. Got that stop thing again. Now at this stage you just keep repeating that and it fades out. Okay, now let's look at the little intro lead. So when it starts it's like, and it goes. So he does a little bend, like a half step on the 7th fret of the G string. Goes to those 5s there on the G and the B. And then he goes kind of an answer in the lower octave. So you could do like a slide or a little half step bend on that 5 on the A. So that C note there. And then he's gonna go. So we bend the 7 on the G, hit the 5 and 5 going down, and then the 5 on the G. It's a little 7 at the end there, and then he goes. Little trill on the 5, 6 on the G, and ends on that little 5 down there. So once again, it's like. Okay, then the verse starts. So let's look at the rhythm intro one more time. We got. Okay, then we start our verse. Let's do the verse one more time. We got 3, 4. chorus D. Okay, and then it goes. But later on in the song, you're gonna have that give me back, and then it resumes, right? And then you got your lead, 5/5, 4/3. Then we got this. Okay, that repeats and it ends with a. You got another verse, chorus, and then you got your staggered thing. Okay, that just repeats and fades. All right, so things look a little different today. Maybe a little noisy. Sorry about that. I'll get the kinks worked out. But we moved into a new place. So this is my first lesson at the new place. I'm going to be able to use my amp pretty soon here and show you how the effects pedals that I use and stuff. That'll be some fun stuff moving forward.